To apply for an online certificate of origin for Chamber of Industrial and Commercial Undertakings, type cicuyindia.org into your browser. Go to e-certificate of origin page and click on Apply Online button. After the page loads, you will be able to see the login, forgot password and register exporter, register CHA onto your screen. If you need to change the password of your registered account ID, please make use of forgot password. Click on Register Exporter to sign up for the online certificate of origin services with CICU. Upon clicking, you will be able to see a sign up form popping up where you are supposed to enter your organization details, which are marked as mandatory and optional. After filling up the form, you will get an email notification about registration, and that will be verified by CICU later. You will be notified once your account is activated and good to use for an online certificate of origin. Proceed with the login credentials after your account gets activated. Once you log in, you will be able to see the user interface where you can apply for a new certificate of origin in the dashboard. But before that, you need to check your profile, the details which got entered by you at the time of filling up the registration form. Click on the right corner icon that you see on your company name and go to Profile. You get to see whether you are a member or a non-member. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and apply for a new certificate of origin request, which is a simple 4-step process. Get started by clicking on CO request. After clicking on CO request, you can see certain fields getting auto-fetched of your company, which are editable. Fill up the consignee details and other entries which are marked as mandatory and non-mandatory for the certificate of origin form. Make sure you're entering all the details. Once you fill up the form, make sure you review the form that you have filled and click next by accepting the terms and conditions. After clicking on next, you will be taken to the second step where you will be asked to upload the supporting documents mandatory for the shipment. You can also add more documents if needed. You can apply for the particular document attestation also if required. Click on Next after you upload the documents. You will be redirected to the step 3 where you will be getting an OTP to the email ID entered by you. Enter the same OTP that you have received over email. Also make sure you're not entering any space while copying.